Dear friends and respected parents, we have launched our website to learn NCERT Maths of Standard 10, Gujarati medium and English medium with base and new tricks to make the student fearless. Only 999 rupees the price for per year. Also, we keep our free videos on our YouTube channel, Revision Educations. Please share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends. Now, friends, example 3. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter of a circle of a radius 5 centimeter. The tangent at P and Q intersect at a point P. Find the value of TP. Here, I draw the diagram once again. PQ is a chord of the circle with center O and its length be 8 centimeter. From P and Q we draw two tangents which are intersect T. Exterior of the circle, T is the exterior of a circle. We have to find the value of PT. Yeah, TP. Here, friends, the radius is given us 5 centimeter. Now, before it, what we do? Join OT. Here we start. Join OT which intersect QP at R. Which intersect QP at R. PTQ is a isosceles triangle. PTQ is a isosceles triangle. So OT bisect PQ. OT bisect PQ. OT bisect PQ. This is the isosceles triangle. So, in triangle PTQ is the isosceles triangle. To bisect PTQ is the isosceles triangle and OT bisect PTQ. OT bisect PTQ. अगर हम ऐसा डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. PTQ is an isosceles triangle, so OT bisect PQ. We can write also direct. Triangle PTQ is an isosceles triangle, so OT bisect direct. We write OT bisect PQ. Here, OR bisect PQ at R. OR perpendicular. OR perpendicular PQ. OR perpendicular PQ. R is midpoint of PQ. R is midpoint of PQ. So we can write here PR is equal QR is equal 4. ये 8 है तो ये दोनों का वैल्यू कितना होगा 4. Now you use any kind of method. First you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Here we draw OT, join OT. Triangle PTQ is a isosceles triangle. OT intersect PT at R. This is the isosceles triangle, so OT bisect PQ. OT bisect PQ at R. OR perpendicular PQ. R is midpoint of PQ, so PR is equal QR is equal 4. Now take these two triangles here. In triangle OPR, ORT is equal 19. By Pythagoras theorem we can write OP square is equal OP square is equal OR square plus OR square plus PR square. OP, we can say it is the radius of the circle and its value is given 5 centimeter. So I write here 5 centimeter. OR we don't know, don't write anything. In place of PR we can write 4 square. 5 square 25, 4 square 16. Take this 16 this side, it became minus, is equal OR square. The subtraction is 9 is equal OR square. So 3 square is equal OR square. OR square. So OR is equal 3. We got the value of OR 3. Now friends, we have to find PT. Here 3 or 4 methods to solve this sum. Here I explain the both method first. ये तो आपको करना ही है. You can use any method, but before that first you have to write it. Here I explain the method of tan theta. Suppose in triangle, here this O is equal, we take theta, angle TOP, angle TOP is equal, ORP is equal, ROP is equal theta. We assume it theta. Now in triangle ORP, measure angle ROP is equal theta. ROP is equal theta. We take tan theta. Now याद करो बच्चों, tan का मतलब है OA, थीटा का ऑपोजिट है. I take this triangle here, ORP, its opposite side is RP upon adjacent side is OR. Keep tan theta as it is. In place of RP we find 4 and OR we find here 3. Give it number 1. Tan theta is equal, this is its opposite side is RP upon OR. Now we take another triangle. In triangle OPT, measure angle OPT is equal 90. OPT is equal 90 because of theorem number 10.1. Now we can write measure angle TOP is equal theta. We write here tan theta. Tan theta का opposite होगा ये वाला triangle friends, OPT. This is the 90 degree. Tan theta's opposite side is PT and its adjacent side is OP. Tan theta keep as it is. In place of PT as it is OP. OP is the radius of the circle. Its value is given 5. So we write here 5. Give it number 2. Now compare 1 and 2. Now compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we can say tan theta is equal this. So we can write PT upon 5 is equal 4 by 3. So PT is equal 20 by 3. This is the answer. Now friends, we solve this sum on this way. Also in this sum we can use another 3 method, and all in this method we can find the answer 20 by 3. I take the tan theta method, so we can find the answer very easily. Also you can use make these two triangles congruent, and then after these two triangles similar, then after you can find the value of PT. Okay, thank you friends, enjoy it.